Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. Today in this video we will see how to add bars in our dataset. So suppose here we have the name of a persons and what targets they have achieved. So their total target was to reach 1,000 people or reach this revenue of 1,000, and so far they have just reached, like you can see that Arav has just completed 398, which is around 40% of the target. Arjun has completed 100% target, then Harsh has completed 99% of target. So if you want to make the bar and see or make the percentage more visible that who has completed much more, if you are adding the bar as a manually, so what you might be doing, illusion shapes and then adding a rectangle shape over here. So you can see that okay, 40% is this much, then you are copying it, then pasting it in the next cell, and then again adjusting that and making it to 100%. So you are increasing the cell width. So this doesn't look good. We can make the bars automatically. So let me remove this. First thing which we will be doing is applying one formula as repeat, R-E-P-T, and then repeat the text. So I will be repeating this pipe text. Then you can find this pipe above the enter button. You have to, whatever text you want to repeat, you need to put that text in an inverted comma. So to make a bar, I will be using the pipe and then comma and the number of series, like number of times, how many times do I want to repeat this pipe? So 40 times. So I will be selecting the percentage and into 40. So you can see that here this pipe is getting repeated, and now you can see that this pipe is repeating 100 times, so it is going too long. So what we will do, we'll select this data, we'll go to theme font, we'll select play bill, enter, and you can see that the bars has been created as per the percentage. Now if I will increase this percentage, so suppose right now this is a formulated, if I am increasing 40% to 60%, so you can see automatically the bars are getting increase or decrease. And suppose if the target has been achieved more, instead of 390 the 700 target is achieved, 70%, here again 1000% of target is achieved. So that way the bars are getting increased and decreased. And if you want to increase this size, bar size, or decrease the bar size, so you can do that as well. So it was very simple to create a bar, and creating a bar in this way is looking very nice, like it is looking neat and in a uniform way rather than you are manually creating it using a shape. That's all for this video. I hope you liked the trick and follow us for more such tips and tricks. Thank you.